welcome back to Lark's Workshop. Today's just a really quick one on my daughter's Corsa. When we picked it up, had a bit of a smell of oil coming from it from the engine. Not a lot, but we traced it to this hose. Now, as you can see, it's got a little split down there. So, we've changed this one already because I had to do it there and then. And also changed the O-ring on the filler cap because you could see around it, it was all covered in oil and manky. But that and the O-ring from Vauxhall was under £12.50. So, always worth a check on the Vauxhall parts, check a dealer. But yeah, we've changed it and I'll show you what we did. We're in the engine bay of the Corsa, not literally, but we're there. So, when we got it, this area here was all covered in oil. All around here, and around this area here. This is the hose that was split. Let's move the light a bit. And it runs back behind the engine. I'll try and get a picture of that in a minute. Well, all I did was undone that, and you can see a little O-ring on there, so I've changed that one. And basically, just use some traffic film remover and give the engine and the engine bay a good clean. This hose, simple to change, just use a pair of pliers, clamp those together, or clamp that clip together, slide it up a bit, and it pulls off. Bit of wiggling, but it's fine. The one at the back hasn't got a clamp on it. You just got to pull it off, but you got to get hands in around the back. So I'm going to try and get the camera in so you can see where it goes to, because I had to use mirrors and that, and I did struggle to see where it's going. So let's have a look behind. Okay, it's the next day. Like a complete idiot, I managed to delete the footage of showing you where this pipe is. So we're outside, so I do apologise for the wind noise. I'll show you where this hose runs if I can get in there. So it's this one, obviously, from before. And it runs, that's it there, all the way around. Try and get the hand in there. That's it. See it there? That one. That one there. And it goes down just behind there. So it's hard to see, easier to feel. Okay. There is also talk on the forums of this one splitting. So this goes from the valve cover to the intake there. So that's obviously, well, it's just a vent of some sort, or sorry, a breather. But yeah, this one's already been changed, so that should be alright. The chatter on it is worth taking off occasionally if you do short trips all the time, because it gets filled up with gunk. Okay, but yeah, either of those two could be split. That was an oily smell, and the reports are on this one that it's probably more of a fuely smell. But easy to see that one, and ours was obvious, the oil one. Okay? Okay, that was only a quick video. I hope it was of some use to someone. We found it, if it helps someone else find this, you know, the smell of oil. And it's an easy, cheap fix. And you can go to the dealer, get it, they had it on stock, so no problem. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe for future content. And I hope to see you next time. Cheers, Anne!